Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. A fun day of filming ahead of us. This is number 1, anyhow. If you are new here, my channel is a place where I show diamond paintings. I show lots of diamond paintings. I show them unboxed, progress as I'm working on them, finishes, reviews. I also show yarn and crochet things I'm working on. I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons. And I get books and I talk about books. I have a book discussion I do live with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds on Tuesday nights. And we discuss a book and we have a good time doing it. Today I have diamond paintings to show you, and they come to us from Diamond Art Decor. So let's get into it and let's show you what beautiful things I was able to pick out from Diamond Art Decor. Thank you so much for letting me pick out some things to show everybody. And I'll have all of these items linked below so that you can find them quickly and easily if it is something that is of interest to you. Each of the paintings comes with a toolkit such as that. And here's our drills. And this one right here is a smaller 30 by 30 size. Let's zoom you in so you can see it. All right. Look at all the special drills on this thing. Petals of all these flowers. We have all of this 7 special drill all through the wings. More up through here, and I love that this is printed. It has a scene in the back. As you can see, we've got some mountains, this beautiful lake, pine trees and sky, and this would appear to be a tree over here. It is so pretty. I love this. It has 10 different drills. Let's show you what they are. This will be beautiful, won't it? It really will. I just ironed a bunch of canvases for Smashing the Specials, which starts like in 2 days. But this one, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I might have to iron it up. So what is this? Like a goldish tan color. Rhinestone, clear, green, blue. That's it for the rhinestones? Seriously, there's 4 rhinestones. Okay, we have a green faceted marquee. We have 2 of these gold balls. We have these pretty clear, or like the see-through type of round. Those are purple, very pretty purple. I bet you that's all those little 7s. I bet it is. Look at these clear, faceted marquee. We have some pretty blue teardrops. And look at those. Wow, that's like a really pale blue, almost with a hint of green to them. Those are super pretty. This is going to be stunning, isn't it? Like I said, I just ironed up a bunch of canvases, but man, that one's kind of calling my name. You know what I'm saying? All right, what else do we have? This is super cute. Look at, it's just a little bee. And he says, welcome home. He's got his jar of honey. Him and his friends have been busy working. Look at all the special drills there. Lots of the A. I see some D. That must mean there's C and B as well, right? I mean, yeah. But super cute. All the flowers, super pretty. Butterflies everywhere. You know, where there's butterflies, there's probably bees because they kind of tend to like the same thing. Flowers. Oh, cute. Let's see our drills for this one. That's a dog. I'm so sorry. I was trying to film and I had kitties at my feet. Like at my feet. Right here where I stand. Impossible. All right, clear, pink, yellowy gold, green, very pale, like a tan color, and some black. There's all that pretty A. This gold faceted round. We have some beautiful, beautiful faceted marquees. They're green, they're iridescent, they're pretty, so pretty. Look at these pretty, pretty little pink ones. Those are really pretty. And then we have these blue marquees as well. I'm telling you, you guys, special drills are so much fun. I hope you're joining us. I mean, you might not see this one. You'll see this during Smashing the Specials for sure. But I hope you have a few special drill projects and you can join us for that because we have a great time. Look at this one. I love this gingham pattern in the background with all of the flowers and then just the sign, the butterflies. So pretty. I love this one. I love them all. I mean, I pick out things I love, right? I don't go pick out things I don't like, but sometimes there's some that are just like overwhelmingly like, wow. So this has 11 different drills. A lot of the flowers in the petals get special drills. There's a few up here even. This is so pretty. I love the blue, white, and yellow theme, especially for a kitchen. So my kitchen is painted blue. And the house that I had before, I had all kinds of blue, yellow, and white accessories. I still have some of them here. Not as many, but I love the color combination. Blue rhinestones, clear rhinestones, yellowy gold, another blue, a brown, a lime green. Here we have some of those round faceted gold again. Iridescent, clear, marquee. Look at those guys right there. Wow, those are pretty. Those are going to go on like these flowers, I think. Yeah, the blue flowers get those. And we have some gold, which are smaller, and we have some green. Love all of these faceted marquees. They're so pretty. All right, so that's what we get for that one. That would have gone perfect in my other kitchen at the other house. Absolutely perfectly. It could go in this one too. Don't get me wrong, it could. All right, then we have this owl. Look at the colors on that owl. Wow, I guess this one has 16 different colors. I see special drills all around that flower, all around this flower. The owl and all of the wings gets a whole bunch, all around his eyes. These flowers, so many special drills, and look at the colors. I mean, that has all the colors in it, doesn't it? I see pink, blue, orange, green, yellow. It's a rainbow. It is a rainbow. All right, here we go. What do we get? We get some clear crystals. Oh, these are gorgeous. Those are so pretty. Then we get purple and yellow and green and pink and brown. So those are crystals. Blue, purple, yellow, green, pink, and brown, right? Okay. And look at those faceted marquees. They got iridescent coating. They're so pretty. The gold balls. They're the blue, faceted. Those are pretty. Clear. Oh, pink shards. Yes, please. Oh, that's going to be like that flower and that flower are going to be all those pink shards all the way around. Green faceted. These have that flat top. Gold marquee. Little gold marquee. And look at those beauties. Those are iridescent. They got all kinds of colors in those. Wow, those are pretty too. Those are going to be the leaves. Oh, wow. I'm telling you, you guys, they do a great job. Great job with special drill stuff. They're just stunning. Stunning. There's so many more these days. And then I have a big one for you. I have a 40 by 40. Look at her. Look at her. Pinks and blues, mainly. Pinks and blues. Look at that dragonfly. Look at all of that. Like this gives me cloud feeling. Gives me a very celestial feel, you know, like we're out in the sky and maybe the moon's out there. I don't know. It's so pretty though. These larger 40 by 40s will keep a person busy for a while. Okay. And I love that it has printed background. Like this part here is printed. This blue is printed, no drills on it, but this does get a lot of drills. I mean, look at this pack. It's a fat pack. And there's 8 different types of drills here. So it's not there's a ton of different types of drills. There's just a lot of drills. Let's see what they are. I bet they're going to be pink and blue. Excuse me. All right. Oh, wow. They're pretty too. Okay. So first of all, let's start with clear. Then we have, is that 3 bags? Yep. 3 bags of that gold. Okay, because I'm going to assume the gold outlines all of this and all of these little swirls around the outside edge are all going to be done with that gold. Then we have 2 bags of the pink. Again, a lot of pink. The blue. Oh, look at, these are so pretty. I am so sorry. It's like fire. They're iridescent. They got the AB coating, the teardrops, so pretty. Then we have 2 bags of these blue faceted marquees. Those are gorgeous. And some light blue pearls and some light pink pearls. So pretty. Wow. Wow, that is so gorgeous. The little light pink pearls are going to pop in down here. The blue pearls are going to be, they're like in the centers of things. It's gorgeous. You guys, you just can't go wrong. I mean, how can you go wrong? These are so pretty. So that's what I have from Diamond Art Decor. We got the big dragonfly. We got the rainbow owl, the home. We got a lot of things that fly in this one. We got a bee with his butterfly friends. And we got a beautiful butterfly. Everything has something that flies here. Butterflies, owls, everything flies. It's a flying kind of video today. Oh, so pretty though. I love them all. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like I said, they will be linked below and you can find them quickly and easily. And thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe button, come back and see more videos. If you're new here, I hope you found something here that you enjoyed. Peck around on my channel for a while. There's lots of content. And everybody who's returning, thank you for coming back and being the meat and potatoes of the channel, you know. You know what I mean. Thanks, everybody. I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you soon. Bye, you guys.